You're walking along the street, or you're at a party, or else you're alone, and then you suddenly dig. You're looking in someone's eyes, you suddenly realize that this could be the start of something big. Start of something big. You're lunching at 21, you're watching your diet, declining the Charlotte Rules, accepting a fee. When out of the clear blue sky, it's suddenly gal and guy, and this could be the start of something big. There's no controlling the unrolling of your fate, my friend. Who knows what's written in the magic book? But when a lover you discover at the gate, my friend, invite her in without a second look. Up in an aeroplane, flying at Sardines, flying at Malibu, alone on the sand. You suddenly hear a bell, right when you can tell that this could be the start of something grand. Your destined lover you'll discover in a frightening flash, so keep your heart awake both night and day. Because the meeting may be fleeting as a lightning flash, you don't want to let it slip away. You're watching the sun come up or counting your money, or else in a dim cafe you're ordering wine. Suddenly there she is where she is. This could be the start of something, this could be the heart of something. Got a feeling this could be the start